Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to make your TikTok account to privately. So before going to the tutorial, first of all, why we do this process? Because if you set your TikTok profile to public, there is possible every people view your profile and also download your videos. But boys, there is no problem. But if you are a girl, there is very dangerous one. Because maybe someone download your profile photo and misuse it like that uploaded to the unwanted websites. So to avoid this kind of problems, people are searching how to make TikTokers privately. So if you are the one of the person, just follow my steps. And the settings are common for all Android and iOS devices. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, I try to open my TikTok application via my new Android mobile. And then complete your login or sign up processes. So now in this home page section, you can press your profile icon and it is located at the bottom. And this is my TikTok profile. But in this section, you can press that horizontal three dot icon and it is located at the almost top of right side. And this icon will help you to access your settings. So here it shows lots of account related settings. But in this section, you can go to privacy and safety settings. And the second one. So finally here you can see. So it shows two account related settings. But the main setting is private account. So just click to disable it. Then it asks for confirmation, so you can click to confirm. And the another important setting is allow others to find me. So what is this? So once you disable this option, other TikTok users will not receive suggestions to follow you. And this is very nice one. So same way you can disable this option. So once you disable these two settings, there is no possible to view your TikTok profile from other users. So this is the way you can easily make your TikTok profile to privately. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Bugs, and thanks for watching.